Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am with an interesting chicken recipe. Tangy chicken with a mix of sauces. Yummy. As usual, heat a pan, add some refined oil. Now when the oil bubbles up, add some boneless chicken pieces, around 250 grams of the chicken. And then stir them gently. I just love the colors, the sound of the oil sprinkling out of the pan while I'm in the kitchen. Now the most important ingredient of all, that is salt, according to your taste. While my chicken is cooking, let me make the mix of sauces. I'll add around 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, this yummy Szechuan chutney, and 2 tablespoons of this Szechuan chutney. Add around 1 teaspoon of honey and then mix all this together. Ooh, this is ready. This looks perfect. Let me come to my chicken now. The chicken is almost done, it seems. I have just cooked the chicken in very low flame so that it gets cooked till the inner core. And drain the chicken pieces from the pan and set it aside. In the same oil, we'll be doing the rest of the cooking. I have added around 3 onions, some chopped ginger garlic, and stir them continuously until these are cooked very nicely. Now add some green chilies, green, red both, fresh chilies you may say. And then some bell peppers. I have used around 2 bell peppers, some tomatoes. I don't have red bell peppers, so for the colors I have added tomatoes. Add the mix of sauces into these vegetables and then the fried chicken into this. I forgot to click the video where I added the sauces, so after cooking for around 4 to 5 minutes, add chopped coriander leaves, and then this is done. Just enjoy this awesome chicken recipe. And guys, subscribe to my channel to get updated and enjoy.